In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use this as a Bluetooth server and send text or information from our mobile device to this and display it on the serial monitor. Hello, and I'm pressing enter, and as you can see, hello is displayed. So the information was sent to this over the Bluetooth, and from the USB we were able to read it. And now let's send from our computer something to this over the Bluetooth. Happy, and I'm pressing enter, and as you can see, the happy appeared here. Let's get started with this. ESP32 starter kit from SunFounder. This is the best ESP32 learning kit from SunFounder. It has this ESP32 microcontroller which has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This board can do everything Arduino Uno can do or many other Arduinos can do, plus extra more features. Because we have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, the possibilities are endless. You can get connected to the cloud or do the control or read information or values via your mobile device or your desktop or over the cloud from a far location. It comes with a camera extension kit where you can stream the video over Wi-Fi either through the cloud or to your network, and also it comes with micro SD card where you can save images on the micro SD card, or you can write from the device any information, log the information on the device and read it back. You can power the board using this included 18650 lithium battery, and it has built-in charger where you can connect micro USB and charge the battery. The kit comes with 320 pieces of component that you can learn tons of projects. As I'm preparing the lesson, please make sure to thumb up this video and subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. Thank you. So in this lesson, we are going to learn how to use the Bluetooth feature of ESP32, and we are going to use it as Bluetooth server. So the app will get connected and we will be able to send some information to this Bluetooth, and once we are able to send and also receive information back from Bluetooth, then we can use a lot of features of this. So this lesson is foundation for the upcoming lessons, and make sure that you successfully follow this instruction and implement it. Come to this page, docs.sunfounder.com, scroll down until you see ESP32. Then click on ESP32 Starter Kit Main. On the left side, click on Arduino User. And after that, scroll down to 7.1 Bluetooth. This is the documentation for today's lesson. And it speaks about Bluetooth low energy or BLE and how we can use it. And there are some talk about the protocol or what we can do. We will need to install this Light Blue app from either App Store or Google Play Store, which I'm going to show you. Here is the code. I'm going to show you how to set this app. And also we need to have UUID if you want to make sure there is no conflict. It's still huge. It will not have any conflict, but I'm going to show you we can generate it, run the code, and there is some Bluetooth app setup so we can send and receive information over the device. Do it. And here is the code explanation of how it works. I'm opening Arduino IDE. Let's open our project by clicking on File, Open. On the left side, click on Downloads. Then ESP32 Starter Kit Main on the right side. Double click to open it. Double click on C. Double click on Codes. And scroll down to 7.1. 7.1 Bluetooth folder. Double click to open it. Select the file. Click Open to open it. So in this code, the only thing that we will set is the name. If you want to change it to something else, I'm not going to change it because I want to follow this, but you are welcome to change it to anything that you like. Just keep in mind that this quotation should be at the beginning and end, and inside it just put anything except this double quotation and backslash. So just normal alphanumeric, you can put the name for it here. And then we need to create a service UUID. This is supposed to be unique, but still if you want to create a unique UUID, come to the documentation page, scroll down, and here click on online UUID generator. This is the page, and automatically you will see UUID unique. You will see UUID version 4 generated. Just click copy, come to the program here, come to the sketch, right click select and right click paste, and we got now new UUID. These two for receive and TX and RX. This is for receive, this is for TX. I'm not going to worry because this is too local, but if you want to change one of them, it will be automatically, for example, this 6, make it 5, and this 6, just change it to 5, and that's it. It will be too unique amongst everything in the world. Other than this, everything is ready. We just click to upload the code to the board. The first thing, let's go to the App Store or Play Store, type light blue and search, and you will see this icon, the first, and click or touch to the get or install button to install it. Here it will be get, just touch to install it, and after installation is done, touch to open it, touch get started, and allow, of course. This will get connected, and now this is ready, app is ready. And now let's see how we can select the ESP32 board. We can click here the select board and type here ESP32 DEV. As soon as you type dev, you will see dev board. You can select it and click OK. So the board has been selected. Now we have to select the port. The other way to select the board is click on Tools, Board, ESP32, and select the ESP32 dev module. Now we have to select the port. If I click here, it shows 2 ports, and I don't know which one belongs to my device. Sometimes you will not see the number properly. So the best way to be sure, right click on the Start menu, go to the Device Manager, and you will see here the ports. If I click on this arrow, it will show me the ports. One is USB serial CH340, the other is USB serial device. And here, now it's connected. If I disconnect this, one of them disappear. The one that disappeared is my board. So 6 stays and 8 disappeared. If I connect it, so 8 is my COM port, CH340. Now 8 is my COM port, and I can select it. Or I can click on Tool, Port, and here you will see it. You can select whichever you want. Ours is COM8. Now we have successfully selected the board and the port. And this is very important. It must be done first. Everything is ready. We just click to upload the code to the board. Once you install it, you should see the shortcut somewhere on your home screen on your phone. Now let's open our light blue and get started. Allow, and then again get started. And here we will scan, but this is the one that we want to use because ESP32, that's the name that we set. Click, wait, and we don't see it. If you don't see ESP32 here, just touch this button and ESP32 will appear. Touch it, wait for this, it gets connected. I'm touching this notify, and here this is hex. On this side, touch and select UTF-8 string, so it's readable, and here listen for notification. So touch and then say allow. Now this is listening, and the Bluetooth is waiting. Let's type here something like hello. As soon as I type hello, the text came here. Now if I go here and touch this right, and after that touch this, so we can set string. Now touch to write a value. Let's say SunFounder. Like that, and then click done, and we should see it in here. And here the message arrived. So what it means is that we were able to send and receive. If you want to send more, just touch this, come here, either touch on notify to read it, and now it's ready. We can say again something. How are you? And as you can see, the text arrived. So once you have done this, then this lesson is completed and you're ready to jump onto the cool next lessons.